Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on the application of Stumble guys. We click on settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above here you will search about Stumble guys and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode against that problem. For that, by like and subscribe. See you next time.